Hey, what's up, guys? Soapy Fresh here in the crypto sewer. Today I have a special request. Someone on Twitter wanted me to show you how to buy Ryo on TradeOgre. So first we're going to go to the TradeOgre website, TradeOgre.com. Now in the upper right corner, you'll see the little person there. You click on that and go to sign in. And then you're going to click register here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You enter your email address and then make a password and click register. Now, TradeOgre is a pretty great little exchange. It's super simple. There's no KYC, there's no know your customer, and it's just as simple as an email address and a password. It's going to tell you right here that you need to enable two-factor authentication, but you actually don't have to do that. It is highly advised that you do, but it is not necessary. Click on balances and you'll see that you have nothing in here. Obviously, you just created your account. You can search the available cryptocurrencies here. We're going to show you Ryo. Obviously, we have none yet, but that's about to change. So we're going to click on deposit on Bitcoin because in order to buy Ryo, we have to have Bitcoin to buy it with. So you click on deposit in your balances and it's going to give you a Bitcoin address that you need to send your Bitcoin to. If you don't have any Bitcoin, I would suggest using Coinbase. It's super easy, it's well known, it's legitimate, and it's really easy to use. If you don't have a Coinbase account, there is a link in the description of this video. If you would please use that. I think we both get a little bonus if you use my referral link. Now, once you do have a little bit of Bitcoin, you can go ahead and send it to the address shown here. It's going to take 2 blocks to verify it, to confirm it. Yeah, if you go over to the deposit history, you'll see that you had Bitcoin incoming, but it's still pending. You still have 0 out of 2 confirmations that need to be made. That means we're going to have to wait for 2 blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, once we do have those 2 confirmations, you'll see that the status says successful. That means we have Bitcoin in our account. If we go to balances, you'll see that we have $10 in Bitcoin in our account. Now we need to exchange that for Ryo. So we're going to go to the Markets tab. We're going to search for the Ryo market. You'll see we have a Bitcoin Ryo exchange. Click on that, and here is what the market page for Ryo looks like. You'll see all the pertinent information, the current price, the change over the last day, the total volume, and the high and the low. Here's the order books. You have the buy book, the sell book, obviously. Now, I can't give you financial advice in this video, but I will show you that if you click on your available Bitcoin balance, it will give you the max amount of Ryo that you can buy for the price that you've chosen. And then once your order goes through, you click back to your balances, and you will now see that you have an amount of Ryo that you just bought. Now, I would never suggest leaving your Ryo on an exchange. Remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your coins. So we want to withdraw your Ryo off of the exchange into your wallet. So in order to do that, we're going to click withdraw, going to click on the available balance to max it out, and then enter your address here. Now, if you watched the previous video on how to set up an address using the Atom wallet, you'll know that we already have it ready to go. So we're just going to go back to our Atom wallet. We're going to run it as administrator. We'll open up the wallet that we made in the previous video. Now, if you haven't seen this video yet, that's fine. I'll add a link in the description. Be sure to type in the right password. And then here you can select to copy your address right there. So we've got our address copied to the clipboard. So we're going to go back to the TradeOgre window and we're going to paste our address in there and click withdraw. So you see there that it's pending, and it won't take very long in order to get that back to our wallet. There you can see we went from pending to successful. So now we go back to our wallet and we see that it's pending in there. So it's going to take a few confirmations, just like when we deposited the Bitcoin. It's going to take a few confirmations here in order to unlock. I think it's 10 blocks, but I could be way off on that. And there it is. You see that it's confirmed and it is now unlocked, and we can do whatever we want to with it. It is ours to send to whomever we'd like to. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask them in the comments section. Hit me up on Twitter or anywhere that you see me if you'd like to see any videos in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.